Hi, my name is Susie Jo, and welcome to my channel. I make videos on urban sustainable living. In today's video, we will be making fritters using green beans from our garden. Stay tuned till the very end. I will have a bonus recipe for you. So come along with me, and we will make something beautiful together. Here we are on our front yard. Yes, we do grow food on our front yard. These are bush beans. We planted the seeds a week before the May long weekend. Beans love a well-drained soil and gets the full sun in this spot. Beans fix nitrogen in the soil and are ideal companion plants to Swiss chard, radishes, and strawberries. 6 weeks later, here we are. Beans are ready for harvest. These plants will continue to produce all throughout the summer. Pick the beans regularly to keep the plant producing. You wouldn't want to keep them on the plant for too long though. They get fat and hard with seed. Into the kitchen we go. Trim the beans into 1 centimeter pieces. Blanch them in boiling water for about a minute. Drain and rinse under cold running water. Make the batter by whisking together 1 egg, 1 cup of flour, and 1 cup of water. The flour I used in this recipe is gluten-free. However, you can use any type of flour you have. Chop some onions, then fold the blanched beans and onions into the batter. Let this sit for a few minutes while we make our yogurt garlic dip. In a small bowl, combine equal parts of Greek yogurt and mayonnaise. Add about 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Why is it pink, you ask? Well, this is the chive vinegar that I made using the chive blossoms from our garden. Link to that video is provided in the description box below. Add some chopped dill and stir, stir, stir. By the way, dill is so easy to grow from seed. And monarch butterflies love them and come back for them every year. Okay, we're ready to cook these fritters. Warm up about 1 inch of oil. I use high temperature olive oil. Pour about 1/4 cup of mixed batter into the oil. Turn over once, then drain on paper towels. I managed to get about 6 fritters. These fritters are great on their own with a yogurt garlic dip. But if you want to go a little extra, I would use this as a base for poached egg. Great for brunch, right? Or for a quick lunch, try this one here, where I've topped it with cucumber and some leftover grilled chicken. Yum, yum, yum. And here's the bonus I promised. Now is also the season for zucchini flowers. They are one of nature's greatest gifts. I will have a separate video on how to grow and harvest these. For this bonus recipe, I stuffed them with provolone cheese, dipped them in tempura batter, and into the hot oil they went. These are amazing hot and dipped in some yogurt garlic dip. And there you have it. Green bean fritters served 3 ways, and zucchini flowers on the side. Hope to see you again soon for more videos like this.